Hello again. This is Rosina's Italian Kitchen, and this fall day I decided a split pea soup would be wonderful, and I use leftover ham or ham hocks and that sort of thing, and it's very easy to make. You saute carrots, celery, and onions chopped up fine in olive oil, and then you put in the split peas after you sort through them and rinse them good. And you put in the ham just to warm up, and then you put the 2 quarts of combined water and chicken stock, or just chicken stock, and you cook it down until the peas are tender and it's thickened. The ingredients are a 1/4 cup of olive oil to saute a large onion, finely diced, 2 celery stalks, or a little extra if you want, chopped up finely, and also 2 carrots, chopped up or diced finely. And you have 1 pound of the split peas comes in a bag after you have sorted through and rinsed them. And it says 1/2 pound ham hock or ham of some sort, and 2 quarts of chicken stock or combined chicken stock and water. And you can add salt, but I think that's ham is usually salty, and I don't do that. So you cook it down until it's a consistency you like and the peas are tender. I'm cooking down the peas and all the other ingredients, and it'll take another hour or so, but here it is, and I'll stir one more time so you can see. So you can see the finely chopped carrots. Probably can't see the celery and onions, but this is what it looks like while it's cooking.